Hi everyone, today on Simply Maha we're going to be making this Asian style spaghetti. We're going to be making a sticky, sweet and spicy glaze that we're going to coat all our spaghetti in. This will be done in under 10 minutes. So easy, simple, fast. You're going to love it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by sauteing about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic with sesame oil. You want to make sure that the sesame oil you buy is really dark in color because the light one doesn't have a lot of flavor. I'm then gonna add 2 tablespoons of chili paste to this and step back because it's gonna want to splash all over your face. And then just adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce along with some honey. Now, if you didn't want this too spicy, you can put 1 tablespoon of chili instead of 2. Now we're adding our hoisin sauce. It's going to give it a nice shine. Now remember, all the measurements of these ingredients will be listed down in the description box. I added a couple tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. You can add apple cider vinegar or even white distilled vinegar if you don't have that. Now I'm just going to add a half a cup of water and let that reduce. Now we are going to use a cornstarch slurry to thicken our sauce. A cornstarch slurry is equal parts cornstarch and water, so I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon each. Now this is why I like making my own takeout, because I can control the amount of sugar that went into this. We only added 2 tablespoons of honey. Now in takeout, they thicken their sauces most of the time with sugar, but we're going to be doing it with cornstarch, saving a lot of calories. So now we're just gonna add our pasta, and I'm adding it straight from its pot, not even draining the water, because I want a few tablespoons of the pasta water to be mixed into our sauce just so it can all come together. Now I only used 50 grams of pasta for this, which is about half a bag. I only wanted a side dish. You can use double or even triple this recipe and add some shrimp. You can add chicken or beef and make this a main dish, but today I kept it veggie and I just had it as a side dish. And now we're just gonna finish it off with some scallions, and that's it. It's done. The amount of time it takes to finish this dish is the same amount of time it takes for your pasta to boil and get ready. Now I'm just putting a few sesame seeds on top, along with some strategically placed scallions that I've cut on an angle just because they look prettier. And I'm gonna finish them off with a few sliced chilies. Like I said, if you don't want this spicy, you can take these out and decrease the amount of chili paste that you put. But here it is up close, sweet, sticky and spicy. It's the perfect side dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more easy and quick recipes like this, and I will see you next time on Simply Maha, where we are simple but never basic.